Guys, I'm seeing something all over social media that honestly worries me. Men over 60 are mixing baking soda with water because someone told them it will bring back rock-hard erections overnight. I'm not exaggerating. The posts are everywhere. They say it balances your blood pH and fixes everything. I completely understand the frustration and the hope that makes you want to try it. But I care about you gentlemen, so I have to be straight. This trend isn't just ineffective. It can actually be harmful. And more importantly, there are gentle, proven, natural things that really do help, and I want you to know about them. Welcome back to the channel, by the way. If you're new here, we talk about living your best chapter after 60, staying strong, staying confident, and enjoying life fully. If that sounds good, consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. Let's clear this up kindly but firmly. Your body is amazing at keeping your blood pH in perfect balance all on its own. Your lungs and kidneys handle that 24/7. A teaspoon of baking soda doesn't move the needle. What it does do is add a big load of sodium, which can raise blood pressure and throw your electrolytes off, exactly the opposite of what we want when we're trying to improve blood flow downstairs. And after looking at all the reliable research, there is simply no evidence, zero, that baking soda helps with erectile function. So if you've tried it, please don't feel bad, but let's gently set that glass down and look at what actually works. The real key for most of us as we get older is something called nitric oxide. It's the natural signal that tells blood vessels to relax and let blood flow where it needs to go. That's how erections happen, plain and simple. The good news? There's a safe, natural amino acid called L-citrulline that your body turns directly into nitric oxide. The very best food source is watermelon, and multiple published clinical studies show that L-citrulline significantly improves erection hardness and satisfaction in men with mild to moderate difficulties. So instead of something risky like baking soda, many men are now using a clean, organic watermelon extract that delivers a concentrated, studied dose of L-citrulline. It's gentle, it's natural, and it supports the exact pathway your body already uses. Now, if things have been a little more stubborn, or you'd like to support several areas at once, there's an advanced formula that thousands of men in our community swear by. It combines the L-citrulline with 4 other well-researched plants. Maca root for healthy hormone balance and libido. Nettle root to help free up your natural testosterone. A carrion that works through the same blood flow pathway as the famous blue pill. Tongadali, which multiple gold standard studies show can raise testosterone levels in men over 50. It's not a random mix. Every ingredient and every dose is based on the clinical research. Most men I hear from notice the biggest difference when they use this more complete approach because it gently supports circulation, testosterone, and energy from several angles at the same time. Of course, nothing replaces the basics we already know. A little daily movement. Plenty of vegetables and healthy fats. Keeping blood pressure and blood sugar in check. And if you still smoke, letting that go is the kindest gift you can give your blood vessels. But when you add in these research-backed natural supporters, many men tell me they feel like they got years back, in the bedroom and out. So here's the simple takeaway. If you're dealing with occasional or mild issues and want the gentlest starting point, try the organic watermelon extract, link below. If you'd like stronger, more complete support that covers all the common causes after 60, go with the Advanced 5 in one formula, also linked below. Both are clean, third-party tested, and made specifically for men in our stage of life. Please, let's leave the baking soda in the cupboard for recipes where it belongs. You deserve solutions that are safe, proven, and actually respectful of the body you've taken care of all these years. Take care of yourselves, gentlemen. You're worth it. Drop a comment and let me know which option you're leaning toward, or if you have questions. I read every single one. See you in the next video.